While Valentine's Day puts dating on the minds of many singles out there, scam predators are looking to prey on singles with advanced scams. NTD Sean Marshall has more details on some of the new ways fraudsters are using romance to scam people out of millions of dollars.
The usual Valentine's warnings are going out again in the state of New York and across the United States. Each year, traditional romance and catfish scams evolve into more and more sophisticated artificial intelligence operations.
So probably the first scam that people are falling victim to as far as romance scams is the pig butchering scam. Now, this scam is named for the fact that criminals view the victim as a pig that they're fattening up to slaughter. So it works with criminals using AI to gather information about the victim.
A scammer might create an entirely fake crypto website that even allows you to withdraw a little bit of money in order to get you to invest more into the fake website.
Now, once the victim purchases Bitcoin, then the criminal is easily able to walk away from the situation. The victim is lost, has a loss of funds, and the criminal is not able to be traced easily because Bitcoin, as we all know, as electronic currency, is hard to detect.
There's always the possibility of someone sending a video saying that they're Burton Kelso and they've got a great new crypto website that you should invest into.
Now, criminals are using AI to disguise themselves because it used to be that people would go to video chat to prove that the person that they were talking to was realistic. But with AI, it's hard to tell that you are talking to an AI deepfake as opposed to a real person.
According to the Federal Trade Commission, in the first 3 quarters of 2025, New Yorkers reported over $42 million in losses in connection with romance scams.
Now, finally, another scary AI romance scam is the sextortion scam. And this occurs when criminals blackmail their victims with sexually explicit photos that they gain from either online photos of the person on social media or dating sites, or just with personal interaction through online video chat. Now, the way this sextortion scam works in 2026 is that criminals will again find a victim to develop a relationship with, and it will turn into an event where the criminal will invite the victim to share a photo of themselves. And once that's done, AI software can then undress the victim, and then the criminal can come back and extort the person by threatening to release the sensitive photographs on the internet in exchange for either money in Bitcoin or just with money in hard currency.
Aside from simply meeting up with the possible fraudster somewhere in real life, there are a couple ways to defend yourself from these newer advanced AI scams.
What you need to do in order to make the person prove that they are showing their legitimate self on video is to have the person either wave their hand in front of their face or have them turn to a hard right or hard left, which will disrupt the AI deep fake voice, or not voice, but the AI deep fake video that is occurring during the chat. And that will be a clear sign that it is a deep fake video, and you can prevent yourself from being scammed.
Sean Marshall, NTD News.